Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture of molecular orbital theory, today we will see the molecular energy level diagram of water. We know that water belongs to C2V point group having twofold rotational symmetry axis. It is like this. Here it is twofold rotational symmetry axis. C2V point group. Here these two planes are exactly perpendicular. Is it? So there is a detailed study about this in group theory. In this lecture we have to see how there is a formation of bonding molecular orbitals, anti-bonding and non-bonding in case of water molecule. How many molecular orbitals are there? And how many different possibilities, how many combinations are there, we have to see. First, I will take that is first sigma 1. This is the molecular orbital. How is the formation of this sigma 1? I will take S atomic orbital from oxygen. Sigma S, wave function of S atomic orbital of oxygen. Here I will take combination. Here two hydrogen atoms are there. I will take combination. यानी sigma Ha plus sigma Hb. A and B hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen A, hydrogen B. This psi Ha, wave function of hydrogen atom A. Psi Hb, wave function of hydrogen atom B. Here addition is there, and addition of two hydrogen atoms. Positive addition, we know that positive addition and positive negative there is a subtraction. See here I have taken wave function of S atomic orbital of oxygen. I will show like this. Here it is. Suppose it is positive wave function, or you can take negative wave function. And wave function of hydrogen A and wave function of hydrogen B. Addition of these two, what will happen? Here it is addition. Here it is positive wave function of hydrogen A and positive wave function of hydrogen B. Or you can take negatives, but sign should be same. It is like this. Here it is second hydrogen B. Here it is the first hydrogen A. Or you can take here negative addition. Positive addition, but positive negative subtraction, negative positive subtraction. Positive amplitude of one wave and positive amplitude of another wave. There is addition. But positive amplitude of one wave and negative amplitude of another wave, there is a subtraction. So here there is an addition. And when there is an addition, here result will be bonding and a formation of bonding molecular orbital. So here it is like this. Here it is formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital. So what is the result? In a wave function of hydrogen, that is oxygen, S atomic orbital of oxygen, and group atomic orbitals of these two hydrogen atoms when added together. So here formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital. So result is a bonding. Second possibility, I will take sigma 2. This is the second molecular orbital. Sigma 1 this is the first molecular orbital, sigma 2 this is second molecular orbital. How there is the formation of this? So for that I will take wave function of Px. You can take here Pz. I have taken Px, wave function of Px. addition with psi HA minus psi HB. Here positive wave function of Px or a negative wave function of Px. But here subtraction of these two, subtraction of hydrogen atoms. Here it is addition. Group atomic orbitals of H2. Exactly same here. But here I have taken one is positive, one is taken negative. But addition of wave function of this Px with this group. So what is the result? I will show Px atomic orbital of oxygen. It is like this. Here it is a Px. Suppose here it is positive, here it is negative. Here I have taken different wave functions. One is positive, one wave function with positive amplitude and one wave function with negative amplitude. It is like this. Suppose here it is positive, here it is what? Negative. So what is the result? Negative, negative addition, positive, positive addition. Isn't it? Here it is positive, positive. Here it is negative, negative addition. Here also addition. And here formation, here also formation of what? Here also formation of bonding molecular orbital like this. Formation of bonding. So result is bonding molecular orbital. Here formation of bonding molecular orbital. Formation of bonding molecular orbital. This is second possibility, that is second molecular orbital. Third, psi 3. Third is psi 3. So for this I will take wave function of Pz. Wave function of Pz. Addition of wave function of Pz of oxygen with, I will take psi Ha plus psi Hb. Again group atomic orbitals. So here it is Pz psi Pz. Suppose it is like this. How to show? Suppose like this. Here it is negative amplitude, here it is positive amplitude. Positive wave function of one hydrogen, positive wave function of another hydrogen, here sign same. So here addition of these two, it will be like this. Like this. So here positive, positive, positive. There is addition. Yani what is a resultant? A resultant picture will be like this. Yani here it is. This will be what? Bonding molecular orbital. But remember, this molecular orbital is nearly non-bonding. I will explain. Result will be nearly non-bonding, or very small bond. That is very small amount of bonding. If any, very small amount of bonding. Otherwise, it is non-bonding. See here, how there is a formation of non-bonding. Why this molecular orbital is said to be non-bonding molecular orbital? Only trace amount of bonding is there. See here, this is, I have taken Pz of what? Pz of oxygen. And this S atomic orbital, instead of like this, I can show like this. Here it is positive. This is positive function of hydrogen. Similarly, second hydrogen, it is like this. Here it is positive. We know that when a positive addition is neutralized by positive negative, that is said to be non-bonding. See here, positive, there is addition. Here it is positive. But to this end, to this side, there is a positive negative addition. Yani this positive addition is subtracted by positive negative addition. And we know that when a positive overlap is neutralized by negative, formation of a non-bonding. Exactly same here, it is positive, but here positive, negative. And here formation of what? Non-bonding. So this is a nearly non-bonding. or very trace amount of bonding is there, only little overlapping is there. So here this is the first psi1 is bonding, psi2 is bonding, psi3 is a near about non-bonding. Maximum non-bonding characters are there, isn't it? So we'll go for next molecular orbital. Next molecular orbital, that is psi4. Psi4. I will take here a wave function of py. Remember, it is exactly perpendicular to internuclear axis, so it remains as it is. Yani there is no addition, so it will be non-bonding only. It will be only non-bonding. So result is a non-bonding. It remains as it is. Yani wave function of this py remains as it is without any bond, anti-bond. So this is exactly non-bonding. Yani here two bonding, two non-bonding, third one is non-bonding. Maximum characters of what? Non-bonding. Only trace amount of bonding is there. Psi4 is completely non-bonding. Then psi5. Psi5. Isn't it? I will take here wave function of oxygen, that is I will take S only. Addition with wave function of HA and wave function of HB. Here addition. An addition of wave function of S, that is oxygen, with group atomic orbitals of hydrogen. But I will show like this. Suppose this is, I will take here positive wave function of oxygen, S of oxygen, and I will take negative of, this is the negative of HB and negative of HB. Now tell me whether addition or subtraction here, negative, positive, negative. Isn't it? Negative, positive, negative. And there is a subtraction. And when there is a subtraction, what is the result? Result is the formation of what? Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Anti-bonding molecular orbital. Remember, this is the anti-bonding of what? Psi1. Yani psi5 we can write here psi1 star. We can write like this. Psi1 star. Next, psi6, that is sixth molecular orbital. I will take wave function of px of oxygen and group atomic orbitals of hydrogen, but here I will take HA minus psi HB, any subtraction of these two. What will happen? So px and px atomic orbital of oxygen. Here it is. Px, this is positive amplitude, here it is negative. This is Px. Now, here I have taken different, sorry, here it is negative. Here it is negative. I have taken S atomic orbital with positive and S atomic orbital with negative. Suppose here it is negative. Here it is HB, negative. HA, here it is positive. Positive, negative, positive, negative. There is a subtraction of waves, and we know that when subtraction of waves, formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital, and it will be like this. Here it is plus, here it is minus, right? Like this plus, nodal plane, here it is negative, like this. This is what anti-bonding molecular orbital. So result in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Result in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So in case of water, two are bonding molecular orbitals, two are non-bonding, and remaining two are anti-bonding. See once again, psi1 is the first molecular orbital. Here it is combination of what? Wave function, that is S atomic orbital, wave function of S atomic orbital, and group atomic orbitals of hydrogen having same sign. Here it is diagram. This is the This is the s atomic orbital of oxygen, and these two are s atomic orbitals of two hydrogen atoms. Sign is same, and there is a formation of bonding molecular orbital. This is what BMO, bonding molecular orbital. So result is a bonding. Second, here I have taken wave function of px of oxygen and group atomic orbitals of hydrogen atoms, one with positive amplitude, another with negative amplitude. Addition of these two, see here I have taken px, here it is positive, here it is negative, isn't it? Here it is positive wave function of one hydrogen, here it is negative wave function of another hydrogen. So result, again here formation of bonding molecular orbital, because negative addition, positive addition. Next, in case of third molecular orbital, here I have taken wave function of pz atomic orbital of oxygen, isn't it? pz atomic orbital of oxygen, and group atomic orbitals of what? Hydrogen atoms. It is like this. This is pz, suppose here it is positive, here it is negative, and here I have taken the same sign of hydrogen atom, so here it is positive, here it is positive. Note out here positive addition is there, and a formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital. But remember here, result is a formation of non-bonding molecular orbital, and only trace amount of bonding is there. How? Because there is a neutralization. This is the pz of oxygen, this is hydrogen, this is another hydrogen. Positive addition, positive negative subtraction. So addition is neutralized by subtraction, exactly same here. Addition is subtracted by, yes, neutralized by subtraction, and a formation of non-bonding. Then about fourth, this py is exactly perpendicular to internuclear axis, so it remains as it is. It gives only non-bonding molecular orbital. It gives only non-bonding. It remains as it is here. Psi phi. Now this is about anti-bonding. I have taken here wave function of s atomic orbital of oxygen and group atomic orbitals of hydrogen having same sign. But here I have taken positive wave function of oxygen in case of s, and here negative. So negative, positive, negative, there is subtraction and formation of anti-bonding. And in case of what? Sixth molecular orbital, here it is I have taken px, negative, positive here, because here group atomic orbitals of hydrogen with different sign, positive, negative. So here negative, positive, negative, there is a repulsion and a formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this will be the anti-bonding of what? Psi 2, and here we can write psi 2 star. So all these are the possibilities of combinations of what? Atomic orbitals from oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Now, how to draw molecular energy level diagram of this? It is very simple. Molecular orbital energy level diagram for H2O. It is very simple. We know that on y-axis generally we take that is potential energy. Here I will take hydrogen. Here hydrogen. Two hydrogens are there. We know that this is hydrogen A and this is hydrogen B. Here it one electron, here it is one electron. When sign of wave function of these two hydrogen atoms is the same, here it is positive, here it is a positive, HA, HB. This is addition. And when sign of wave function is different, this is HA and this is HB, this is subtraction. This is subtraction. And we know that when addition of wave functions, potential energy decreases. So I will show addition here and subtraction here. Here it is like this. This is addition, yani HA plus HB, and here it is HA minus HB. Like this. So this is about potential energy of hydrogen. Here I will take potential energy of 2s of oxygen. Here it is a 2s of oxygen. And here atomic orbitals of oxygen. Here atomic orbitals of hydrogen. and in between these two formation of molecular orbitals. After 2s there is a 2p. I will take here 2p. Here it is 2p. 2p of oxygen. Here 2 electrons. In case of Ha, Hb, here 2 electrons are there. Here there is no electron. 2s of oxygen, here 2 electrons, and here there are 4 electrons are there. Now how there is the formation of what? How there is the formation of bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals and non-bonding molecular orbitals. Here, what is psi1? This is we have taken first molecular orbital, and when there is a formation of psi1, yani 2s of oxygen, 2s of oxygen and Ha plus Hb in a group atomic orbitals of what? I will show here. Like this. Here it is 2 electrons. So this is sigma 1. Yani here 2s of oxygen and s of hydrogen. This is Ha, this is Hb. This is wave function of s of oxygen. So here what is result? Formation of bonding molecular orbital. This is psi1. Simultaneously there is the formation of anti-bonding of this. Simultaneously here formation of anti-bonding of this. So here it is anti-bonding. It is like this. So this is, we can show here psi1 star, or this is our fifth, that is psi5. This is anti-bonding of this. Diagram of this will be here positive wave function of what? Oxygen, negative of first hydrogen, negative of first hydrogen. There is a what? A repulsion and a formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now next, we have taken wave function of px of oxygen and group atomic orbitals of hydrogen, that is Ha minus Hb. Second, here it is like this. So here this is psi2. Here 2 electrons. This is psi1, this is what? Psi2. And when there is a formation of psi2, we have taken px of oxygen. Here it is a px of oxygen. Positive wave function of one hydrogen and negative wave function of one hydrogen. Negative negative addition, positive positive addition, and a formation of what? Bonding molecular orbital. This is psi2. Simultaneously there is the formation of anti-bonding of this. It will be like this. Here it is anti-bonding molecular orbital. So this is the psi6, yani anti-bonding of this, yani we can write psi2 star. That is empty, isn't it? Yani this is px, positive negative, but here I will take negative and here I will take what? Positive. Positive negative, positive negative subtraction and formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now next, pz of oxygen, pz of oxygen and group atomic orbitals Ha plus Hb having same sign. It is like this. So here, what is the diagram? Here it is pz of oxygen hydrogen positive wave function of one hydrogen, positive wave function of another hydrogen. At lower side there is a addition positive, 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 and we can say bonding molecular orbital. But actually what happens? Overlapping is like this. Positive, positive is neutralized by positive, negative. Yani this is what? Psi 3 is nearly non-bonding molecular orbital. Nearly non-bonding molecular orbital. And this pair we can treat as a lone pair of electron. If bonding is there, only trace amount of bonding will be there. It is like this. And we know that Py remains as it is. With pair of electrons, this is a Py. This is also non-bonding molecular orbital. This is psi 4. This is what? Psi 4. So it remains like this. This is a Py. So how many bonding molecular orbitals properly? This is 1 and 2. These two are non-bonding molecular orbitals, and here two lone pair of electrons are there, and these two are what? That is anti-bonding molecular orbitals. Now what is the bond order? We know that the bond order is equal to Nb minus Na divided by 2. What is Nb? Total number of bonding molecular orbital electrons, 2 plus 2, 4. Don't consider these two, because maximum non-bonding characters are present here in psi 3 molecular orbital. So 4 minus how many anti-bonding are there? 0 divided by 2, yani bond order is 2. In case of water, that is why structure is like this, isn't it? Structure is like this, 1 and 2. So how many molecular orbitals? Yes, 6 molecular orbitals. Bonding, non-bonding, anti-bonding, anti-bonding. So this is about molecular energy level diagram of water molecule, isn't it? If any doubt,